I got one. Nope.
Alcohol abuse. I think it's done.
It's done. The batteries are just crap.